here and here. And then you want to push down on both sides firmly until you hear it click. If you have two, you can put it on either one of them. If you have an additional memory, you can add that to it as well. This just has a single stick of memory in it. And we'll get into that further in another video, what type of memory and what type of slot. So now we're ready to put this back into the system board and right back into the computer. So we take our case like we had before. It's empty, and we want to add the system board back in. So we're going to lay it back down. We're going to put the motherboard back in. Notice on the back, you got your holes aligned where each one of the components go, and it tells you where the keyboard or mouse, and it tells you all the other things. And we want to align the back of these with the ports that are on the back of this. Now, anytime you buy a system board, this plate pops in and pops out. So it doesn't matter if you have a generic case and a generic motherboard, you can pop this portion of the case out and put the one that comes with your new board in so it matches up. So let's set our case back down. You want to take your system board, make sure that your components are facing the back. You want to go in at an angle, moving all your cables out of the way. You want to make sure that it matches up with all your components in the back. Make sure that nothing is poked out. Make sure that you're all in the right place. You want to make sure that you can see your screw holes and that they're matched up as well. Again, when you're putting your screws back in, you don't have to bear down on them. Just make sure that they're snug. Make sure that the system board will not move. It doesn't jump. Because as you plug components into it, you don't want it to shift. The ones back here by the back of the system board are the ones that are a little more tough to get to. Because of the lip one, you can use a shorter screwdriver or an actual longer screwdriver just to get